Ready to start branding yourself on social media but feeling overwhelmed with where to start? I totally get it. When my mom and I launched our personal brand, we had no audience, no influence, and no clue where to begin. Thanks to some very specific strategies, we were able to go from social media nobodies to hitting $300,000 in sales with our personal brand in just 10 months. In this video, I'm taking you step by step through the process of how to build a personal brand on social media fast. And I'm not just talking friends and followers. I'm talking a profitable personal brand that generates consistent, repeatable revenue on autopilot. Hey there, I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community, alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious women the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so that you can create revenue on autopilot while living the lifestyle of your dreams. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new content just like this every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training that we release. Like most things, building a profitable personal brand quickly on social media all starts with having the right plan and a clear strategy. And when it comes to going fast, we have 5 words for you. Slow down to go faster. No, you don't need to spend years or even months growing your personal brand before you get into profit. But you do need to take the time to put the systems and strategies in place in the beginning so that as your audience grows, your bank account is growing too. Also, before we dive in, a little disclaimer. I'm going to break everything down for you step by step in this video, but if you want to dive deeper, I'm going to need more time. That's why we created a free 60-minute training called our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass, where we share the unique blueprint we use to go from social media nobodies to hitting $300,000 in sales with our personal brand in just 10 months. You'll get a much more detailed blueprint inside that training, so be sure to go check it out at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training. Okay, so let's dive in. First up, you've got to define your goals, and not just your goals, but your vision. If you could fast forward 5 years from today and have the perfect life, the perfect business, what would that look like? What would you be doing? What would your daily routine look like? Who would you be helping? How would you be helping them? Getting clear on your vision from the very beginning makes it easy to know what to say yes to and what to say no to. By committing to only pursue strategies that align with the lifestyle you're looking to create, you ensure that you don't end up building a business that you start hating later on. Next, define your expertise. What industry do you want to focus on? And from there, get clear on your end game. When a new friend or follower comes into your world, where do you ultimately want to lead them? What action do you ultimately want them to take? Do you want to be a coach, create a course, sell a physical product, grow a team? Knowing your end game and making everything else you do congruent to that is essential for growing a profitable personal brand. Once you know your end game, define your bumper sticker. Your bumper sticker is a 1-sentence statement that clearly expresses who you help and how you help them. Don't just help people get fit. Help new moms lose baby weight with simple, no-equipment workouts they can do from home. The more specific and the more niched down you can get in the beginning, the faster you will grow. And the best part is your niche can always grow and evolve as your business grows. Once you have your bumper sticker, you want to create a consistent social media presence. And no, you don't need to be on all the platforms, but you do need to pick 1 or 2 and show up on them consistently, giving value and connecting with your bumper sticker. We did an entire video around choosing the best social media platform for your business based on the current size of your brand and your goals. You can go watch it right here. Once you've chosen your platforms, make sure that you're creating consistent branding across all the platforms you're using. The same colors, same voice, and sticking to your niche. Create a freebie funnel that captures the attention and information of your ideal clients or customers and bring them further into your ecosystem. This is going to grow your email list and keep people connected with you. You also want to create a free value Facebook group and an email follow-up strategy for nurturing your growing audience. Your group is going to help turn your audience into a true community, giving you a place to connect with your most loyal followers and as your brand grows. And having a value-driven email strategy will train your audience to expect and get excited about seeing your name in their inbox. 90% of our revenue comes from our email list, so this is an important step. One of the biggest mistakes we see people make when growing their brand on social media is not connecting their brand to their paid offers. And that's why those first few steps, defining your expertise, your end game, your bumper sticker, are all so essential. Knowing these things will tell you what products, services, or programs to drive your audience to. As people join your email list and come into your world, use your follow-up emails, free value Facebook group, and social media posts to funnel them to your paid offers. Use smaller offers to convert more followers into customers quickly to create cash flow while leading them to your larger in-game offers over time. Okay. That's your crash course in personal branding and a step-by-step overview of how to build a profitable personal brand quickly. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, we simply don't have time to give you all of this strategy in a short video like this, but if you want our complete blueprint, definitely check out our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass, which is a full 60-minute training where we can give you all the goods. Inside, we'll show you how to attract, capture, and convert your ideal clients on autopilot so that your business can start creating consistent revenue even if you're starting from scratch and don't have a huge audience yet. My mom and I hit multiple six figures from our personal brand in just 10 months using the blueprint that we share in that training. And we really want to share all of our best stuff with you, so you definitely want to go check it out. You can reserve your seat at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training. If you want more strategies on how to grow a six-figure business online, check out this playlist with our most popular videos here on the channel. And be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go so that you'll be notified the next time we drop something new. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.